Do you think the flamingo flower is beautiful? Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Today I will guide everyone how to grow anthurium by grafting anthurium flowers. Anthurium is considered the door that opens the homeowner to good things, luck and fortune. The leaves of anthurium are heart-shaped, symbolizing sincere and lasting love, so everyone loves this plant. I cut a flower and took a purple onion and stuck the taro flower into the purple onion to grow into a baby plant. Because purple onions have the effect of stimulating roots and helping plants grow quickly, increasing the ability to absorb nutrients. I use rice husks to grow plants because rice husks can replace soil to improve the soil, provide nutrients, and prevent pests and diseases. After planting, I will water to create moisture for the plant to sprout. It's amazing, after 10 days the flower I planted has grown into a young plant. I will plant it in a bigger pot so that it can grow well. When the plant needs water to create humidity, I will water the plant directly. I can't believe that in just 40 days I now have another very good and beautiful pot of anthurium. I will spray clean water on the plant to wash the leaves and flowers, making the plant more beautiful. Now I will bring the plant into the house to create a lucky and happy space in the house. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.